Hey guys, we have this 2011 Santa Fe here, and did we replace a video on the treble code? Doing the okay,
we
so
did a diag.
This will be a follow-up to the diag. We're replacing the sensor today. Very simple to change. We got two 10mm bolts. This is the sensor right here, located on the knuckle. We just take that bolt out. Sensor comes right out. Another bolt up here. And that releases the harness from the body for that point. We've got a little rubber grommet that attaches to the strut, plastic clip, and then our harness connector is located right here. So we just pull that down. You can see it's also secured with a little plastic clip that's supposed to go into the body. We just push right here, unplug it, and then I'm just gonna go get a trim tool so that we can undo those three plastic clips off the body. All right, one there, one there, and I'm sorry, you're probably not going to be able to see too well, but there's another one that's just up on the back side of that shield. So we're going to get in there. Or we could do that too. And then, yeah, that's junk. So let's throw that out, and then I'm gonna go get the new one. All right, so we're gonna start by plugging this in, just like that. Now, there's some holes up here, and completely up to you if you want to take the fender liner out or not. Just stick them in the holes. Maybe wear safety glasses so that you don't get dirt in the eyes. Or just say, I don't care, and do it anyways. So you just go along, find the holes, plug them in. Let's see, did that one go there? I think it did. I think that one goes there. And then this one goes here like that. And this one goes here. And then we get our sensor. And we just stick that in there like that and get our bolts started. Now we can snug down those little bolts. We don't want them too tight, just snug. And that's all there is to it. So if you have any questions, throw them in the comments. Hopefully this video helped you. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and we'll see you in the next one.